Arteries are the blood vessels that carry blood from the heart throughout the body and can clog with plaques consisting of fat, cholesterol, and other substances. These plaques can grow, narrowing arteries over time. The result is a condition called arteriosclerosis, which means hardening of the arteries. This causes decreased blood flow that can lead to a number of different disorders, including high blood pressure, coronary heart disease, and many other potentially life-threatening conditions. Improving your cardiovascular health by clearing plaque buildup from arteries is a surefire way to decrease your risk of serious heart disease or stroke. Here is an effective and natural drink recipe to free your arteries of buildup and decrease your risk of heart disease or stroke. Who can use? People diagnosed with heart blockage, heart disease. People who cannot afford bypass surgery or can't go for bypass surgery. Prevention of repeated heart attacks. Suffering from constipation, ulcers. People who are looking for weight loss. Ingredients: lemon juice, 1 cup. Ginger juice, 1 cup. Garlic puree, 1 cup. And organic honey. Take all the ingredients in a saucepan and cook on medium heat for 30 minutes. Let cool, then mix in 1 cup of organic honey. Transfer to glass bottles and keep in the fridge. You can store this in the fridge for 1 to 2 months. Each morning before breakfast, take 1 tablespoon of this drink.